Next topic is rectangular components of a vector in 3 dimensions. Let us suppose we have a vector A is represented by OP as shown in this figure. Take O as origin. Construct a rectangular parallelepiped with its 3 edges along the 3 rectangular axes, that is X, Y and Z. Clearly, A vector represents the diagonal of the parallelepiped whose intercepts are along x, y and z axes are ax vector, ay vector, az vector respectively. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें O से लेके T तक को ज्वाइन किया तो यहाँ पे अब ध्यान से देखो OQTR रिप्रेजेंट्स अ पैलोग्राम. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक पैलोग्राम बन गई whose diagonal is OT or resultant is OT. So by applying triangle of vector addition, OP vector is equal to OT vector plus TP vector. Here OT and TP vector are in the same manner and OP in the opposite manner because here head is coincide with the head of this vector TP. So here OP represents the resultant. Clear? So take this equation number 1. Now applying parallelogram of law vector in this parallelogram OQTR. So OR vector plus OQ vector is equal to resultant. Here resultant is OT vector. Here OR and OQ represent the adjacent side of this parallelogram. So in the vector form, OR vector plus OQ vector is equal to resultant, that is OT vector. Take this equation number 2. Put the value of OT from equation number 2 in equation number 1. We get OP vector is equal to OR vector plus OQ vector plus TP vector. Take this equation number 3. As TP vector is equal to OS vector because both वेक्टर्स आर इक्वल वेक्टर्स. जैसे कि इक्वल वेक्टर के हमने केस में किया था कि अगर दोनों वेक्टर सेम पॉइंट, मतलब यहाँ से O से जा रहे हैं और ये O डैश से जा रहे हैं, तो ये सेम जगह से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, सेम मतलब इनका पॉइंट से जा रहे हैं, तो इनका मैग्नीट्यूड डायरेक्शन सेम है, तो ये दोनों इक्वल वेक्टर हैं. अगर हम एक वेक्टर को थोड़ा सा हम डिस्प्लेस आउट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, बट स्टिल these two vectors have equal magnitude and equal direction. Clear? So these also represents the equal vectors. So put TP vector is equal to OS vector. In this equation we get OP vector is equal to OR vector plus OQ vector plus OS vector. We know the OP vector. Here OP vector is equal to A vector and OR vector. This OR vector is equal to AZ vector and OQ vector. This OQ vector is equal to AX vector and OS vector. This OS vector is equal to AY vector. Clear? So let us suppose I cap, J cap, K cap are the unit vectors along X axis, Y axis and Z axis. So AS vector can also be written as AXI cap. AY vector can also be written as AYJ cap. So AZ vector can also be written as AZK cap. So put here. So A vector is equal to AXI cap, AYJ cap plus AZK cap. On rearranging these vectors as A vector is equal to AX vector plus AY vector plus AZ vector, जब हम इसको rearrange करेंगे XYZ vector की फॉर्म में, तो हम इसकी वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, तो we get equation number 5. Now, by applying Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OTP, OP whole square is equal to OT whole square plus TP whole square. As we know from equation number 2, OT vector is equal to OR vector plus OQ vector. So put here, so OP whole square is equal to OR plus OQ whole square plus TP whole square. Here OT is a magnitude, so same OR plus OQ is also a magnitude. बच्चे ध्यान से देखो, अब हम इस होल स्क्वायर को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? देखो, इन वेक्टर फॉर्म ए प्लस ए वेक्टर प्लस बी वेक्टर होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, जो ए प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं सेम लगाएंगे। तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? ए स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे ए वेक्टर डॉट ए वेक्टर प्लस बी वेक्टर डॉट बी वेक्टर प्लस 2a वेक्टर डॉट बी वेक्टर. So here this a vector dot a vector can also be written as a vector whole square plus b vector whole square plus 2ab cos theta. Applying scalar product formula here, a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. Clear? So a vector square can also be written as, जो square इसके जो इसको ऐसे जब हम लिखते हैं तो हम इसको a square भी लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? बिकॉज जब ए डॉट ए लेंगे उनके बीच में एंगल क्या आएगा? ज़ीरो. सो हमारे पास क्या आ गया मैग्नीट्यूड में? स्क्वायर. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो ए डॉट ए वेक्टर जो हम खोलते हैं तो यहाँ पे ये मैग्नीट्यूड की फॉर्म में खुलता है. ठीक है. और बी डॉट बी अगेन ये मैग्नीट्यूड की फॉर्म में खुलता है. ठीक है. सो ए डॉट ए कैन बी रिटन एज ए वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड स्क्वायर प्लस बी डॉट बी कैन बी रिटन एज बी वेक्टर मैग्नीट्यूड स्क्वायर प्लस a dot b represents a dot product, so it can be written as ab cos theta. So a vector plus b vector whole square is equal to magnitude of a vector square magnitude plus magnitude of b vector square plus 2ab cos theta. So we get a square, because magnitude is cancelled with this arrow, so a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Clear? So same we apply here. So OR square plus OQ square plus 2OR OQ cos theta plus this TP whole square. As the angle between this OQ and OR is 90, because OQ is lying along x-axis and OR is lying along z-axis. So OP square is equal to OR square plus OQ square plus 2 OR OQ cos theta. Here theta is 90. When we put cos 90 here, so this term will become equal to 0 plus TP whole square. Clear? So remaining term which is left behind is OP whole square is equal to OR square plus OQ whole square plus TP whole square. Now the value of OR is AZ, OQ is AX, TP is AY. So OP whole square is equal to AZ square plus AX square plus AY square. Clear? And OP is equal to OP जो है that is equal to A vector in magnitude. OP is equal to A, which is equal to square root of AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. Let alpha, beta, gamma are the angles between A vector and X, Y, Z axis respectively. Let alpha, beta and gamma is the angle between A vector along x-axis, along y-axis and along this z-axis. So AX is equal to A cos alpha and AY is equal to A cos beta and AZ is equal to A cos gamma.